Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I'm going to discuss the Python code to check whether a number is prime or not. So before going to the program, let's discuss the algorithm for checking whether a number is prime or not. So what is prime number? A prime number is a number which is not divisible by its preceding number, any of its preceding number. So for an example, for like this n is said to be prime number if its preceding number are 2, 3 up to n minus 1. If for any one of this value, the remainder is a non-zero value, means remainder non-zero means it is not divisible by any of its number, preceding number. So n is prime if for any I, n modulus I means remainder is not equal to 0. But if in any one of the case, like for any one of these value, suppose we are iterating over this array, and in any one of the case this remainder and this n modulus I come out to be equal to 0, then n is not a prime number, it will be a composite number. So this is the algorithm. So let's go to the program. So this is the program for checking whether a number is prime or not. So this is my x, I have assigned value 7 to it. So this number I have to check whether it is prime or not. And this is my dummy variable flag. So this flag acts as a reference. So if my flag is 0, it will indicate that the number is prime, and if flag is 1, it will indicate the number is composite number. So initially I have assumed flag value to be 0. So I am assuming that my whatever number, this is 7, it can be any number, it can be 1007, or we don't know whether it is prime or not. So initially I am taking flag value equal to 0, I assuming that this number is a prime number. So flag 0 indicates prime and flag 1 indicates composite. It is composite. So the next step is we have to iterate over the numbers, its preceding number. So this range will generate the numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to iterate numbers over the numbers preceding 7. So this is that's why I have used for loop. So now the second condition is to check the remainder. So on dividing this number x with any of its preceding number gives a remainder 0. It means that x, that number, is divisible by one of its preceding number. So in that case, the number will become composite, and I will modify the value of flag to be equal to 1. And at that instant, I will break the loop, because it's just one instant is enough for checking, for declaring whether it is composite. So initially I will take value in the first iteration. I will take value 2. The first iteration I will take value 2. So calculating the remainder, 7 modulus 2 equals to 1. So it is a non-zero value. So this is false. So this will not run. And again my program, this go for the second iteration. So in second iteration I will take value 3. 7 modulus 3 equals to 1. So it is here, it is false. So this will not run. This is non-zero, so this is false. So it will come to the third iteration. So in third iteration I will take value 4. You can see the this 4. So 7 modulus 4 equal to 3. So this is also again non-zero value. So this is false. This statement is false. So this will not run. It will again go to the this repeat itself. Now I will take value 5. So in the fourth iteration, I will take value 5, and 7 modulus 5 equals to 2. Again non-zero value. This is false. This will not run. This block will not run. and it will go again to the for loop. So in next and last, I will take value 6. So in fifth iteration, I will take value 6, and 7 modulus 6 equals to 1, again non-zero value. So in any of the case, this flag value is not going to change. It will remain equal to 0. You can see in any of the case, the flag value remain 0. So this loop will terminate. Now we will check what is my flag value. If my flag value is changed to 1, it will be a composite number. If it remains 0, it will be a prime number. So if flag equal to 0, print number is prime. Since in any of the case flag value didn't change, so I will get this output. So the output will be number is prime. Now suppose if I have taken this to be like 9. This is my 9, x equals to 9. Then what will happen? So this here I will replace 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. So 9 modulus 2 equals to 1, and 9 modulus 3 equals to 0. So in second iteration, flag value will change to 1. In the first iteration, the flag value will remain unchanged because this remainder is a non-zero value. So this is false. But in second iteration, this 9 modulus 3, when I take value 3, this will become 0, remainder will become 0, and this will work, and my flag value will modify to 1. Okay. So and in the second step, I will break. So I will not need, in this case, I will not need this thing. Actually, after this iteration, my loop will get break. And this will come directly to these following statements. So the flag value is modified to 1. So this is false, this will not work. And it will come to the else part. So what will be the output? Output will be the number is composite number. Okay, thanks.